Good day, community. Our character trait today is confidence. What is the meaning of being confident? Being confident means that I can trust and rely on God without a doubt. I've got the faith that He will help me out. Where can you find this character trait? The character trait is found in Luke chapter 1, verse 37. Nothing is impossible with God. This character trait is shown in the story about the Israelites crossing the sea. Now, let me tell you the story. When Moses grew up to be a man, God spoke to him. The Israelites are treated terribly in Egypt. I want you to lead them out of there. But Moses worried and said, what do I say to the ruler? He won't agree. God reassured him, have faith in me. I'll give you the words to say. As Moses expected, the ruler did not agree. No, I don't have to listen to you. I'm the boss around here. God allowed difficult things to happen to Egypt until the king changed his mind. Later, we are free, let's go, said the Israelites. But the Red Sea is in front of us, and the Egyptians are chasing us. We're in trouble, they cried. Don't worry, Moses called out. God will save us. Whoosh! With a huge wind, God pushed aside the waters and made a path through the sea. The Israelites made it safely to the other side. How can we be confident as kids? First, we can be confident by being happy with the skills we have. Second and lastly, we can be confident by not being afraid of trying new things as long as it is safe. Again, the character trait for today is confidence. And for a reminder, being confident is not just about trusting yourself, but most importantly, trusting God. Have a wonderful day. Shalom!